quit your job and make money from home? What's up everyone, welcome back to my channel, the number one place for 9-to-5 employees and rookie online business owners. If you're keen to know my 3 tips on how to quit your job and make money from home, then keep on watching. If you want to quit, you need to find another way to make enough income to pay your bills, save for the future and enjoy life. But what's the best way to do this? How can you make enough side income now so you can quit your job in the near future? Here are 3 great ways to make side income while still working your day job. The first one is to learn a skill and make money from it. When I say skill, what I really mean is a high income skill. One that can generate you high income when you eventually sell it. Skills that are on demand now are digital marketing, funnel building, copywriting, closing. All these skills are learnable, so before you quit that job that you hate, you must secure yourself with a skill. Honestly, before I even felt like leaving my corporate job, I was learning digital marketing from my mentor. The reason why I did that was because I wanted my online business to generate me income more than my corporate job, so that if something goes wrong, I can just leave. You want to be building your additional income stream or your backup plan while you're still working in your day job. Many people resign just because they can't handle their boss, the office politics, and the mistreatment. But what you have in your current day job now is your stable salary and benefits. So the best way is to pick up a skill from a mentor, learn and execute it. Make money from it so that you can quit your job with no worries. Second, sell your skill. After you have picked up a skill, or probably you are already naturally good at something that you can think if you sell, the market wants it. Whatever you are good at, there are likely going to be people out there who are willing to pay you good money to run part of their business for them. Smart business owners know that they should focus on what they are good at and hire out the rest. This is where you can come in and make side income doing what you love. I know this person who works in a cafe nearby my place, a young guy, and when I met him last year, he was still a student then. He wanted to work in a cafe so that he could earn enough money to sit for a culinary licensing exam that would enable him to work as a chef in a cruise. Unfortunately, COVID-19 hit, so his dream was crashed. But he didn't give up. He didn't sell his culinary skill to busy business owners and entrepreneurs who either don't know how to cook, no time to cook, or simply don't enjoy cooking, but they just love to eat. He went to their houses and cooked fine dining style for them and charged a decent amount of money. It doesn't only mean the skill has to be something online. It can be cooking, baking, dancing. And think of ways to sell these skills to your target audience who are ready to buy from you. But it is even better if you can transform these skills into digital assets so that you can reach a wider market. Third, become a mentor. If you're good at something, you can also transfer your knowledge in the form of a mentorship. Let's say you're good at makeup, but to someone who's terrible and struggles to even draw an eyeliner, your mentorship will be so valuable. Some students in my coaching program would think they have to be an expert that knows everything from A to Z, only then they can coach someone. But how would you know how much you know if you don't teach? You'll be surprised that many people actually don't know what you know. I started off thinking everyone surely knows how to monetize their passion to make additional income leveraging the digital world. But after coaching a few better clients, I used to work for free but no longer am, I found out that I actually know a lot of things and I started to become more confident. Whatever skill that you have right now, someone out there wants it. If you still need extra guidance step by step, you can download my blueprint at www.clarachong.co. I will also leave a link in the description box down below. I hope these 3 tips are helpful for you. Don't forget to check out these 2 videos that I have for you as well. Again, I appreciate you and thanks for watching me all the way. I'll see you in the next video.